Hey guys, I am here to start a chapter number 10 from S Aggarwal. This is differentiation. Okay, this is the basic list of all the formulas. So you please pause the video and write down the list. Okay, after this writing, these are some more rules of differentiation. These are the rules. If you have u plus v, if two functions are there, so it is d by dx of u, d by dx of v plus, okay. If it is u minus v, then du by dx minus in between dv by dx. If it is u into v, then formula is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, this is third formula. Fourth formula says d by dx of u by v is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. So याद रखिए, I am sorry, if you have d by dx of u by v, so it becomes v first, then du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. This is the formula for quotient rule. Please write down all the notes. Okay. Now I will be solving first question, first example from S Aggarwal. You will find it on page number 366. Okay, this is the page number. So first question says y is equal to sine x cube. Okay, so clearly this is a function of function, right? देखिए, it could be sine of x whole cube. This is a different function. Okay, this is a different function, and it could be sine of x into x cube. This is a different thing. So be careful to recognize the function. They all are three different functions. In question, they are asking this. Okay, so I will solve this question for you. Okay, so this is function of function. Why I am saying, see, sine alone cannot exist. You know that, right? Tan alone cannot exist. Tan alone cannot exist. To complete it, we need x. Okay, we need x or we need theta. Here to complete it, instead of x, they have given x cube. Okay, they have given x cube. And x cube in itself is a different function. Correct? X cube is in itself is a different function. So that's why here we will use chain rule. Okay, because this is sine is a function itself, x cube is in a function in itself. So here we use chain rule. Okay, so how do we use chain rule? Y is equal to sine x cube. So we know how to differentiate sine. Okay, we don't know how to differentiate x cube, sine x cube. So we will differentiate only sine first, and then we will take care of x cube. So sine derivative is cos, and because we are thinking this is sine x only, so we will differentiate sine as cos, and second one we will just copy. Since we have differentiated only sine, now we will differentiate the remaining part of it into, okay, remaining part of it. Don't worry, after doing 2-3 questions, you will get hang of it. X cube, cos x cube into, what is derivative of x cube? Is 3x square. Okay, this is the formula we know. X raised to power n, x raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, so here I am using n as 3 in this question, n as 3. So I hope this you know already how to use this formula. Okay, next, second part of first question, y is equal to cos x cube. So this is actually cos x whole cube. Okay, so whenever there is a power in the entire function, so there are two functions, one is power and one is cos x. So this is treated as first function. So always remember power is given priority and this is treated as second function. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, so we will treat as if it was x cube because power is given priority. So we will treat it as if this was x cube. Okay, and what is derivative of x cube? D by dx of x cube we know is 3x square. Correct? We know that. So I will use it. I will treat it. This you can just hide and you can imagine that this was x only. Okay, this was x only, and I will just treat it as x. If it was x, so it would have been 3x square. Okay, but it was not x, it was cos x. So I will write it as it is. It was cos x. And since I did a mistake by thinking it is x, okay, it is not x. So now I will take care of this cos x. Okay, now I will do derivative of cos x. Okay, now actually that was not a mistake, but I just for explanation purpose I am saying it. So first we treated power 3 and now I am treating the second function derivative. Okay, so this is 3 cos x square and derivative of cos x everybody knows is minus of sin. Okay, we will see third part. You will find on S Aggarwal on the same page y is equal to tan of root x. This is next question. Okay, so here clearly we see this is your first function and this is my second function. Clearly you can see, correct? So first I will differentiate this and I will assume this is x only. So dy by dx of what is derivative of tan? You keep your formula list with you. Tan derivative is c. This I will think it is x only. So this I will copy as it is. Now I will differentiate second. By chain rule, I will differentiate this. Okay. So d by dx of root x. Slowly you will get hang of it, guys. Okay. Remember. So don't feel very difficult. This is very easy topic. Slowly you will get hang of it. So derivative of root x, always remember, is 1 by 2 root x. We will use it 100 times. So this is the formula for derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this is okay. Question 2 you will find on page 366. It says first part y is equal to ax plus b power m. This is the question. So I told you already, whenever there is a power, we give first priority to power. Okay, this is a chain rule again. Why chain rule? Because it looks like x raised to power n, but this is not x. Here this is ax plus b. So this is giving priority and whatever is inside we will treat it as a second function. Okay. So dy by dx of this function, what will happen? I am giving priority to this. I will think that this is x raised to power m only. This I will think this is x only and I will go ahead and differentiate. Okay, this function I will think it is x only. So what is the derivative of x raised to power m? Is m x raised to power m minus 1, correct? Yes. So I am treating it as this. So it will be ax plus b power m minus 1. Yes or no? Okay. But now I was thinking that this is x. I have to correct that problem. So for that, I will differentiate this part, second function now, because it has two function in function. First was I have taken care. Now second I have to take care. Okay. So this will be ax plus b m minus 1 and derivative of this. So this you would have learnt in class 11. Right? A as it is, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of b is 0. Okay. Why? So remember in differentiation A, B, C, D we consider as constant. Always remember. Okay. And x, y and z we treat as variables. Okay. So always remember ABCD constant hai. That's why b ka derivative is 0. Okay. So answer is ax plus b power n minus 1 into a. So this is done. Correct. Now we will do second part of it. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 power 5. This is power 5. So d by dx क्या होगा? What will be? This is power 5. Power जहां पर भी है, wherever we have power, this is treated as first, and this is treated as second function. This is ठीक है. So first we will take care of power, and then we will take care of this. ठीक है. So when we are taking care of power, we will think that this is x only. तो इसको we will copy as it is. We will think it is x only. Okay. So d by dx of x raised to power 5 is what? 5x raised to power 4. We all know this formula. Yes. I am using this formula, guys. If you remember, d by dx of, let me show you again. X raised to power n is nx raised to power n minus 1. I am using here where n is 5. N is 5. So if you use it, you will get this. In 11th grade, we learned it, right? So this will be 5 times of x power 4. Correct? It was same. X power 4. But here there is no x. Instead of x, it is this. So I will copy it. Same thing into. Now I will take care of what was actually x. So I will differentiate this, which was actually x. So it is 5, 2x plus 3 power 4. And what is derivative of 2x? This will be derivative is 2 into 1, because derivative of x is 1. And derivative of 3 is 0. So this is my answer. You can join it here. So 10, 2x plus 3 power 4. This is my answer. Now let's see third part of it. Y root of ax square 2bx plus c. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. So can I write 2bx plus c power half? Can I write like this? Pause it and try to solve it on your own. Okay. So if you remember, I told you derivative of root x is always 1 by 2 root x. We will use it many times as a formula. Okay. So in this question, first I will take care of power half. And under root means power half. First, whenever power is there, we give priority. And the remaining part is given second priority. Okay. So dy by dx will be, what is derivative of root of x? Is 2 root of x. Correct. But here instead of x, what was there? 2 root of x. Instead of x, this was this. Okay. So I will copy the entire function because I am assuming it to be x. So ax square 2bx plus c. Now second one, we are ready to do what I was assuming as x. Now I will differentiate this. Okay. Here 2bx plus c. Perfect. So derivative will be twice of under root ax square, 2bx plus c, and derivative of this will be what? A as it is, and derivative of x square is twice x, plus 2b, this was x, 2b, and derivative of x is 1, and what is derivative of c is 0. So this is my final answer. If you want, you can take 2 and 2 common and cut it with this 2. Okay? Though this is perfectly fine. If you want, you can take 2 common. So it will be ax plus b divided by 2 root of ax square plus 2bx plus c 2 and 2 cancel. X plus b by root of plus 2bx plus c. That's it. Here is question 3. It says y is equal to sine 3x into cos of, this is written into cos of 5x. Okay. This you will find on page 367. Copy the question. So here I can apply quickly. This is clearly first function and this is second function. This is looking like u into v. And what was the formula for u into v? So d by dx of u into v, I am writing again u as it is. Be careful, u as it is, dv by dx. Guys, many students do problem in u and v. They all look same. Be careful. U is this and v you have to write with loop to write it clearly. Okay? In exam. If you are not writing clearly, you yourself will forget what is u, what is v. So this is v into du by dx. This is the formula. Now, let me write it first as it is, d by dx of cos 5x plus v. V is cos 5x, d by dx of sine 3x. Is it okay? Perfect. Now, sine 3x as it is, what is derivative of cos? And 5x, there are two functions. So first I will take care of cos. So see here carefully. First I will take care of cos, then I will take care of 5x. Because this is, I am applying here chain rule. Yeah. The derivative of cos is minus of sine 5x. This I am assuming this is x. But it is not x. So I am doing it derivative again plus cos 5x as it is, this here as it is. What is derivative of sine 3x? So sine is first function and the part 3x I will take as second part. Okay? So derivative of sine is cos 3x. Perfect. And what is derivative of 3x? We will do now by chain rule. First I have treated, then I am doing second here. Is it clear? So this will be minus, sine of 3x, sine of 5x. And what is derivative of this? 5 as it is, because x derivative is 1 plus cos 5x into cos 3x. What is derivative of 3x? Will be 3 as it is, because 1 ka is 1. X derivative is 1. Okay. So this is my answer. Just be careful. When you have, usually when you have 5 or any constant after this, so there are chances it gets merged. Okay. So it's always better to write any numerical value in front instead of writing in the end. It's better to write any numerical value in front. So this 3 also. See, some students merge it. 3x into 3, it will become, 3x into 3, it will become 9x, which is not true. This 3 is separate. This will come in front. I hope you understood. This is your answer. So you have to write it in a different line. I am doing it here only. You have to write this part in different line. Okay, next question. Fourth example says y is equal to sine of 2x sine of 4x. So this is also u into v. So dy by dx will be, I am using same formula, sine 2x as it is, d by dx of sine 4x plus sine 4x as it is and d by dx of sine 2x. I hope you understood. Now let's differentiate it. Sine 2x as it is. What is derivative of sine? This we will use chain rule. Clearly, correct? Why chain rule? See here, this has two functions. One is sine and one is 4x. So sine will be 1 and 4x will be second part of, correct? This is my question. This was my question. So I am writing solution here. So here sine will be, derivative of sine will be cos by chain rule 4x. Second I will copy as it is. I'm not gonna differentiate. Now I will differentiate in the chain rule into d by dx of 4x plus sine 4x as it is, and then in this also there are two functions. Yeah? One is sine, which is first, and this is second. So sine derivative is cos of 2x and d by dx of 2. Correct? So let me write it now. Sine of 2x as it is, cos of 4x into this 4 will come in front plus sine 4x cos 2x, and what is derivative of 2x is 2. So this is my answer. So be careful, out of this 4x, this 4 I am writing in front so that it doesn't get merged with this. Okay, this 2 also, either you write it here clearly, or for better, you can write 2 in front. In the next step, you can write it in front in the next. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll see you in next video. Bye everyone.